Hey folks, Matt here. Thanks for stopping by again. I just have some thoughts on the exploration of Mars, and we should stop doing it. We're spending billions of dollars a year to look at a rocky place that is uninhabitable. I mean, there's all kinds of those on Earth, right? I mean, who cares about Mars? And frankly, I think Elon Musk should man up like Bill Gates did 15 or 20 years after DOS or Windows 3.1 was made, and Bill Gates said my biggest failure was the 640 kilobyte memory limitation. I think Elon Musk should raise his hand and say, I've reconsidered my long-term goals, and the exploration and colonization of Mars is a loser. Mars will never be more inhabitable than planet Earth. And the reason why is Mars died. Earth is still alive. Mars will never become alive again. You understand what I'm saying here? The reason Mars is dead and uninhabitable is there is no atmosphere. And the reason there is no atmosphere is because the center of Mars solidified. It was not always a rock solid body. Mars, like Earth, once had a molten core, and it was fluid, which gave off a magnetic field which deflected the solar winds and coronal mass ejections. Earth, thank God, is still like that. But one day it will cool and solidify. But right now we still have a magnetic field as a result of the iron nickel sphere rotating in the molten, for lack of a better word, the lava, the center. So it's rotating, creating a magnetic field which deflects all the solar winds and coronal mass ejections, which preserves our atmosphere. Otherwise, the atmosphere would get ripped off, just like it did on Earth when it turned, or I'm sorry, on Mars when it turned solid. So the billions and billions of dollars we spend a year sending satellites there, and objects that land on the surface and take pictures and dig dirt and stuff, who cares? I mean, there's nothing, I think, to discover on Mars that's going to further interest us. I think we should divert those funds to the moon and try to get, try to figure out a way to systematically harvest deuterium and tritium, bring it back down to Earth, and use it to produce fusion energy. I mean, fusion energy, I know it's always been just around the corner, but we are seriously starting, we're right at the point where we're going to get more energy out than we put into it to produce fusion energy. So if Elon Musk regrouped on his long-term goals and eliminated the colonization of Mars, that would be great. That would inspire me, actually, if he had the spine to do that. Earthlings, we have humanity, we've got an expiration date on this planet. And then after that, the planet will expire. But that's it. We're done. I mean, we're not going to go to another star. We're not going to go to another planet in our solar system. Anything outside the solar system we cannot get to. Forget about it. Let's spend the money either working on the fusion energy scenario that I mentioned, harvesting stuff from the moon, or creating an all-new energy platform altogether. Solar's not making it. I mean, solar's great for local, on your house and local, but for long-term energy transmission, solar and wind power blow. That's pie in the sky. Hydroelectric power is a winner. Coal-fired plants are a winner. Nuclear plants are the way to go. And then after that, fusion energy. So just my thoughts, just my 2 cents. I appreciate you listening. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you next time. Have a great night.